So far for me, I cooked chicken, meatballs, sardines, I even made a milkshake. But I haven't cooked vegetables yet, like just vegetables. And I feel a little bit guilty about that, so today for me, it's about redemption. The idea is we're gonna take some eggplants, we're gonna take some peppers, we're gonna roast them, we're gonna cook them with olive oil, with some spices, and give them some great toppings, feta, pomegranate, mint, parsley, and it's going to be delicious. We'll start off by roasting 3 eggplants and 2 bell peppers directly on medium flames for about 10 minutes each, or until their skin gets burnt and flaky and their flesh gets tender. Let the eggplants cool on a table, but put the peppers in a sealed bag. That will make them very easy to peel once they cool off. Once they're cool enough, cut an opening along each eggplant. Scoop out the flesh with a spoon, or with your hand, or with both. You might as well make everything messy. And then drain out the flesh in a colander for about 30 minutes. Peel them peppers, clean them under running water, get rid of the seeds, and then cut them into medium cubes, and that's all. For the Middle Eastern, we start off with a drizzle of olive oil, and then 2 grated cloves of garlic. Cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the zest of a whole lemon, let it cook for another minute. Now add 2/3 of the eggplant, half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of coriander, a teaspoon of cumin. Mix it well, let it cook for 20 minutes, and every few minutes just press down with the wooden spoon or break down all the big pieces. Let it first cool off and get to room temperature. Mix it with the juice of a half a lemon. Garnish it with 3 shredded mint leaves and 10 pomegranate seeds, freshly grinded salt and pepper. That's it. Here also we start off with a drizzle of olive oil, then 2 grated cloves of garlic. Cook it on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in all your bell peppers. Cook them for 10 minutes alone. Then add in half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of coriander, a teaspoon of cumin. Mix it very well. Add the rest of your eggplant, 125 grams of tomato sauce, that is roughly 7.5 ounces. Mix again, and then keep cooking for 20 minutes, all while just pressing down gently with a wooden spoon and make sure that everything gets emulsified. Let it cool down to room temperature. Garnish with crumbles of feta. Gravity doesn't do all the work, so you might have to use your fingers actually. Garnish also with a chiffonata parsley. One last drizzle of olive oil, and enjoy with some fresh bread. Now I know what you're gonna say. You decided that this is about redemption, then you made the food yourself, and then you tried it yourself, and then you're gonna tell us it tastes good. Yeah, I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna judge myself, and hopefully next time I'll get someone to come here and actually try the food and be able to give you an honest opinion. As usual, like and comment or subscribe, and yeah, let's try this. It's really good. You get the mint, and you get the pomegranate. It's a little sweet, aromatic, smoky. You taste the lemon in there. You can taste the garlic in there. Absolutely delicious. Time to try this right here. In my opinion, this is better. Although I always thought that the eggplant and pomegranate would come out better, but I grew up with eating lots of peppers. Lots of grilled peppers, so I tend to like this more. I feel like this is really Mediterranean, where this is really Middle Eastern. Very tasty. I think I redeemed myself. But if you want to judge, you might have to actually make it yourself, and you can tell me whether you like it or not. So, yeah. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.